I got a problem. It's a first world problem for sure, but it's still a problem. My daughter keeps pulling out my AutoCast Mini and putting hers in place so that she can use her phone. So every time I jump in the truck after she borrows it, I got to find my Mini to put mine in because I like my phone connected to my truck at all times. Well, guess what? AutoCast, and I didn't know this just till recently, updated to solve my problem. Thank you, AutoCast, for solving my problem, for listening to my complaints and solving my problem with this awesome AutoCast Pico is what it's called. It's the AutoCast Pico. You see the button right there. What that does is that allows my headache to go away. So that button, what it'll do is it'll switch between my phone, boom, and my daughter's phone, boom, right? So when she drives my truck without asking, and she takes my adapter out without asking, and then I don't have it when I'm driving, well, problem solved. Guys, if you can relate, if you too suffer from switching devices in your car, then this is going to solve that. It's pretty cool. It solves a real first world problem for sure. You see, I want to leave my phone in my pocket. Problem solved. I don't want my daughter to steal my adapter and put hers in. Problem solved, right? This thing right here, this AutoCast Pico, solves a problem that I didn't think they knew I had. It's really, really simple to install. You follow the install instructions. Boom, just like that, connected to my phone. And all you have to do to get it to my daughter's phone, and now the magic happens when you push this little button right here. You push that button in, right there, it goes red, and boom, daughter's phone, just like that. So we got daughter's phone, my phone, connected to the same Pico, right? So Android Auto and CarPlay connected at the same time on the same device. Guys, no more fighting between my daughter and me. We can now share and live in harmony. I love it. It's the simple things in life, right? If you value your relationship between you and your wife, you and your child, or whatever, you pick one up of these and you will never have a conflict again in your life. Just kidding. It's not going to solve all your problems, but for this one, it will.